Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint in Grow a Garden. Mint is a highly sought-after and rare crop that can bring you substantial in-game currency. While obtaining its seeds can be a bit tricky, often involving special events or specific seed packs, the effort is well worth it. We will cover where to find the seeds, how to plant and grow your mint, and finally, how to maximize your profits. Finding mint seeds is the first crucial step. Historically, mint seeds have been available through limited-time offerings, such as the Night Seed Pack, often appearing during special in-game events. You might find these packs in Sam's Seed Shop, which restocks periodically, or as rewards for completing daily quests. Keep a close eye on event announcements and shop rotations to seize the opportunity when these rare seeds become available. After successfully acquiring your mint seeds, it's time to plant them. Simply place your mint seeds into any open plot in your garden. Mint is a fantastic multi-harvest crop, meaning you can gather produce from a single plant multiple times without replanting. It also grows quite fast, typically maturing in just about 3 minutes, allowing for quick and consistent harvesting. Once your mint is fully grown, you can harvest its leaves to earn shekels. A single mint plant has a base selling value of approximately 5,415 shekels, making it a great early-game moneymaker. Furthermore, mint can undergo various mutations, potentially boosting its value by up to 150 times. Consistent harvesting and utilizing mutations are key to maximizing your profits from this valuable crop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.